afternoon, student. This is our fifth lecture on applied stochastic processes. Today's topic is example on Gamler-Ruin problem. So we start with our lecture. Now example number 1. Suppose xn is a random walk with state space 0, 1, 2 and probability of p of shifting to right by 1 unit, probability q shifting to left by 1 unit. Now this is nothing but absorbing barrier. State the one step TPM P, find n step transition probability P and also find the limiting behavior of Markov chain. Now what they given? They given probability of P of shifting right by 1 unit. So see, this is probability of P to shifting to right by 1 unit, probability Q shifting to left by 1 unit. Now this is absorbing barrier, so transition from state 0 to 0, 1, transition from state 0 to 1 is 0, transition from state 2 to 2, 1 and transition from state 2 to 1 is 0. Okay, so this is nothing but our TPM. Now we have to find the n step TPM. So we required how many matrix? P, P square, P cube. In general, we required P raised to n. So next we find P square. So what is P square? It is P into P, right? So see, this matrix is what? It is similar to matrix P. 1, 0, 0, Q 0, P 0, 0, 1. So that means P square is nothing but what? P. So what is P cube? P cube is P square into P. But what is P square? P square is nothing but P. So what I get? P into P. So again P square. But again P square is what? P. So P cube is nothing but P. Similarly, what is P raised to 4? P square into P square. What is P square? P. Again P square P. P into P, P square. So finally I get here P. That means in general, what is P raised to n? P raised to n is nothing but P. So if I find limit of P raised to n is what? Answer is P. So what is n step transition probability of absorbing barrier? It is nothing but simply P. Now example 2. Suppose xn is a random walk with reflecting barrier. Now see, in the previous example they given as absorbing barrier, now it is reflecting barrier with state space 0, 1, 2 and the transition probability matrix is given. So in case of reflecting barrier, transition from state 0 to 0, 1, transition from state 0 to 1, 1, transition from state 2 to 2, 0 and transition from state 2 to 1 is 1 and shifting to left right by P, shifting to left by probability is with Q. So this is nothing but representation of transition probability matrix of reflecting barrier. Now next we find first P square. So what is P square? P into P. So what I get? We get Q0P 010 Q0P. But see here, matrix P square and P are not same. So we find next P cube. So what is P cube? P square into P. So what I get? 010 Q0P 010. Now matrix P and P cube are what? Same. So see here, this is my matrix P. This is my matrix P. Now next, this is P square and this is P cube. Now we find one more matrix, that is P raised to 4. The answer is same as what? P square. So what I get? I get P into P is same as P cube. P cube is same as P raised to 5. In general, P is what? P raised to 2n plus 1. Next, p square, which is same as p raised to 4, which is same as p raised to 6, which is same as p raised to 2n. So what I see here, in general, p raised to 2n plus 1 is what? P. That is for odd power. And p raised to 2n is what? P square. That is for even power. So in general, the limiting behavior is what? Limit of n tends to infinity, p raised to n is what? P if n is odd and p square if n is even. So see here, I write in general. So n state transition probability matrix of absorbing barrier. Now case is what? See here, absorbing barrier for k state. Now in general we define for k state. So this is my matrix, right? So in general, how it is written as p raised to n is p raised to 2n plus 1 if n is odd, p raised to 2n if n is even. Similarly, in case of reflecting barrier, n step transition probability matrix is given. So what is p raised to n? In case of reflecting barrier, that is p for n, whether it is odd or even. Now example 3. Now what they given as an example, transition probability matrix is given PQ00, 00PQ, PQ00 and again 00PQ. Total there are 4 state. Find p raised to n. Okay. So this is my matrix P. So again, what is p square? P into P. So what I get in p square? So this is my matrix. First column is same, p square. Second column, p cube. Third column is also p cube. And fourth column is what? Q square. Now next, now see here. Matrix p square and p is not same. Therefore, we find here p cube. Which is nothing but what? P square into p. So I write here matrix p square and into p. So what I get? So this is nothing but my matrix p cube. So see here, p cube plus p square into q. So I take here p square common and what I get in bracket p plus q. Similarly, from second column I take pq common. So what I get? P plus q. Again from third column I take pq common. I get p plus q in another bracket. And from last column I take q square common and I get p plus q. Now we know that p plus q is what? 1. So all these p plus q, all this answer is what? 1. So what I get? I get here p square as one column, p cube second column, p cube second column and last p square, which is same as second transition probability matrix, that is p square. So what I get? P cube is same as p square. So what is p raised to 4? How it is written? P cube into p. But what is p square? P cube. P cube is nothing but p square. So p square into p. Again I get p cube, but p cube is same as p. Similarly, p raised to 5, which is same as p square. In general, it is nothing but p raised to n is what? P square for n is from 2, 3 and so on. So there are two answers if I consider the limit. Limit n tends to infinity, p raised to n is what? P if n is 1 and p square if n is 2, 3 and so on. Now next. Now this is a very important example. So what is that example? Now matrix P is given 1 minus A, 1 B, 1 minus A. Now there are only two state space 0 and 1. For this matrix we have to find p raised to n. Now how to find in general p raised to n? So it is difficult to go by finding p square, p cube. So we apply here another method. So what is that method? In general, what I return Pij raised to means is what I throw off P raised to n plus n minus 1 and jth column of P. So this n is divided into n minus 1 into 1. So now I first find here P00 raised to n. I put value of I 0 and j is also 0. So 0 row of P raised to n minus 1 and 0th column of P raised to 0th column of P. So 0th row is what? P00 n minus 1. Why? Because power is n minus 1. P01 is also raised to n minus 1. Now see here in both the cases 0 0 is same. We change only 0 and 1 because it is 0th column of P raised to n minus 1. Now for column P00 and P10 and power of P is what? 1. Therefore I write only P00 and P01. Now this value is given. What is P00? Our original matrix. So answer is 1 minus A and P10 answer is B. Now multiply these two row and this column. So what I get? See this step, P00 raised to n, P00 n minus 1, 1 minus A plus P01 n minus 1 B. Right? Now see this step, P01 raised to n minus 1. Can I write this as 1 minus P00 raised to n minus 1? Okay, so P is stochastic matrix. See, I give an explanation here in this box. So instead of this P01 n minus 1, I simply put 1 minus 00 raised to n minus 1. So 1 can be written as, so this step is written here. So now see this step. From all this equation, I take P00 raised to n minus 1 common. So in one bracket what I get? 1 minus A minus B plus B as it is. So what I saw in the previous slide. So see here P00 raised to n, which is nothing but 1 minus A minus B, P00 n minus 1 plus B. Now we put value of n one by one. So we first put value of n is 1. So P00 raised to 1. So simply in this case also we put value of n is 1. So what I get? See here, n minus n 0. Okay. So now answer of P00 raised to 0 is what? That is 1. So see here in this step what I get? 1 minus A minus B plus B. Minus B and plus B get cancelled. So P00 raised to 1, what I get? 1 minus A. Now for next, in this equation I substitute value of n is 2. So what I get? 1 minus A minus B, P00 raised to 1 plus B. But what is P00 raised to 1? We just find here 1 minus A. So instead of this P00 raised to 1, I substitute 1 minus A. Now multiply these two bracket and finally we get this answer, 1 minus 2A plus A square plus AB. Now next I put value of n is equals to 3 in this equation. So we get this equation. Now see in this case we put value of P00 raised to 2 as this value, that is 1 minus 2A plus A square plus AB. Okay, now instead of this you can go for this value. So see here P00 raised to 2, I put this value, that is this one, 1 minus A minus B, 1 minus A plus B. Now multiply this 1 minus A minus B with whole this bracket, we get this answer. Okay, so finally my answer of P00 raised to 3 is what? 1 minus A, in another bracket 1 minus A minus B bracket square plus in second bracket 1 minus A minus B plus 1 plus B. Now I put n is equals to 4 in this equation. So what I get? I get my final answer 1 minus a minus b raised to cube, 1 minus a plus b, 1 minus a minus b square plus b, 1 minus a minus b plus b. Now see, some pattern is follow here. See, answer of p00 raised to 3 and answer of p00 raised to 4. So I write here again that's all the step. p00 is 1, p00 raised to 1, 1 minus a, p00 raised to 2, 1 minus a minus b plus b. See, p00 4 and p00 raised to 3 and p00 raised to 4. Now these two steps are very important. So in general, from p00 raised to 3 and p00 raised to 4, what I write in general? So see, 1 minus a minus b raised to 3. So I write here n minus 1, 1 minus a minus b raised to 2. So I write here n minus 2 and 1 minus a minus b raised to 1. So I write here n minus 3. So in general, my last is what? B, 1 minus a minus b plus b. So remember, from these two steps, this one and this one, I write here in general p00 raised to n. Now, from this term, I take b common, that is from this one. From this bracket, I take b common. So, see here, b get outside. So, in bracket, which term is remaining? 1 minus a minus b raised to n minus 1, n minus 2 plus 1 minus a minus b raised to n minus 3 up to so on 1 minus a minus b plus 1. Now I put 1 minus a minus b as x. So what I get? See, 1 minus a minus b raised to n minus 1. So I put this value as x. So x raised to n minus 1, x raised to n minus 2, x raised to n minus 3, x. So see here, I got this term. Now from geometric series, how that answer is written? 1 plus x square plus x raised to n minus 1. So answer is what? 1 minus x raised to n, 1 minus x. So see, I directly write here answer. So what I get? So see here, this step 1 minus a x raised to n minus 1 plus b 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 1 minus x. Now here I put value of x again only in this equation, that is 1 minus a minus b. So 1 minus a raised to x minus n b. Now what is the answer of this? It is nothing but only a plus b. Now I multiply this term with whole this bracket. So what I get? We get this step. Okay. Now see, power of this one and this one is same. So, okay. So first I write b upon a plus b as this step minus this one. See here, b upon a plus b x raised to n minus 1 plus lastly I write 1 minus a x raised to n minus 1. Now from these two terms I get x raised to n minus term common. So in bracket which term is remaining? 1 minus a minus b upon a plus b. Now solve this bracket. So final answer is what? After solving this, see, answer of that bracket is a upon a plus b. So and x raised to n minus 1 into x. Now I again substitute 1 minus a minus b as a x. So x raised to n minus 1 into x. So final answer is what? X raised to n. So again put value of x 1 minus a minus b. So this is nothing but my matrix, probability p00 raised to n. So using this probability, can I find p01 raised to n? So how to find? See what I get in previous slide. B upon a plus b plus a upon a plus b 1 minus a minus b raised to n. Now see, p00 raised to n plus p01 raised to n is equals to 1. Why? Because p is nothing but stochastic matrix. So row wise addition is what? 1. So can I write p01 raised to n as a 1 minus p00 raised to n? Now I substitute value of p00 raised to n is nothing but, see, this value. So after solving this equation, my final answer is what? A upon a plus b minus a upon a plus b 1 minus a minus b raised to n. So simply p00 raised to n is what? A upon a plus b plus a upon a plus b 1 minus a minus b raised to n. p01 raised to n is what? A upon a plus b minus a upon a plus b 1 minus a minus b raised to n. So this is nothing but my first row, p00 raised to n, p01 raised to n. Similarly, we find second row, p10 raised to n and p11 raised to n. So see here, similarly I find second row, p10 raised to n, that is first is what? 1. So first row of p raised to n minus 1 and second is 0, so 0th column of p. So this is nothing but first row of p raised to n and 0th column of original matrix p. So 1 minus a up and b. Now we multiply this with this one. So what I get? p10 raised to n. So this is nothing but my answer. Now in previous slide we put value of n is 1, n is 2, n is 3 and so on. Next we find in general p10 raised to n. So we start with n is equals to 1. So see, in this case we put n is equals to 1. So what I get? p10 raised to 0. So that answer is 0. So finally I get it what? Only b. If I 0 multiply with this bracket, answer is 0 plus b. Now next I put n is equals to 2. Which equation? Again in this equation. So my equation is what? 1 minus a minus b, p10 raised to 1 plus b. Now answer of this one is what? We find here, that is b. So n is equals to 2. p10 raised to 2 is what? 1 minus a minus b into b plus b. Similarly, now I put n is equals to 3 in this case. So what I get? p10 raised to 2. But what is p10 raised to 2? It is 1 minus a minus b plus b. So final answer is what? So this is nothing but my final answer. So 1 minus a minus b square into b plus b, 1 minus a minus b plus b. So next I find in general p10 raised to n. So how to find? See here, for n is equals to 1, answer is b. For n is equals to 2, answer is b plus 1 minus a minus b into b. n is equals to 3, answer is b plus b, 1 minus a minus b plus b, 1 minus a minus b square. So from this, can I write p10 raised to n in general? So see b as it is. Now here power is what? 3. So here we start with power what? 1, 2 and so on. So we write 1 power with 1, 2, 3 up to last, second last is what? n minus 1 and n minus 2 and last is n minus 1. So in general p10 raised to n, answer is what? b 1 minus a minus b raised to n minus 1, b 1 minus a minus b raised to n minus 2, b up to b 1 minus a minus b plus b. Now see this step. Again I put 1 minus a minus b as x. So what I get? X raised to n minus 1 plus x raised to n minus 2 up to x raised to 2 plus x plus 1. Now again this is geometric series. So answer is what? 1 minus x raised to n upon 1 minus x. Now I put value of x here, 1 minus a minus b raised to n, 1 minus a minus b. So if I solve the denominator, what I get? A plus b. So answer is what? B upon a plus b minus b upon a plus b, 1 minus a minus b raised to n. So final answer of p11 raised to n is what? 1 minus p10 raised to n. I put here value of p10 raised to n. So what I get? A upon a plus b upon a plus b, 1 minus a minus b raised to n. So finally, p raised to n is what? p10 raised to n, p10 raised to n, p110 raised to n, p11 raised to n. So in first case we find this row and in second case we find second row. So what is answer of p00 raised to n? This one. p10 raised to n, this nothing but my answer. p10 raised to n, this one. p11 raised to n is this. Now from first value I take a plus b common, from second again a plus b, from third a b upon a plus b, and from fourth again a upon a plus b. So plus next is what? I take 1 minus a minus b common. So in bracket what I get? A upon a plus b minus a upon a plus b minus b upon a plus b and b upon a plus b. Again from this second bracket I take a upon b outside. So what I get? A minus b and b. Now next I find limit of p raised to n. Now limit of this one is what? It is same, 1 upon a plus b, ba. Now I write limit here. So 1 minus a minus b raised to n. So answer is what? 0. So final answer of limit n tends to infinity p raised to n is what? 1 upon a plus b, ba. So this is nothing but limiting behavior of n-step transition probability matrix. Thank you.